Hello students, welcome to you all. Today I will discuss about all the tenses. I know that previously you have got the rules of the tenses, but still I want to make a revision so that you can do this exercise in a well manner. Okay? So we are done with all tenses, but I know you have always a confusion. So this time I had decided to revise it with the help of this table that I has presented here. This table has been divided into three. First is past, second is present, and third is future. Past means whatever happened in our life, that all incidents come in a past. And when I am talking about the present, then whatever incident took place in a present time, then these are come in a present. And some there are that are related to the future. Now these are also have the categories, varieties. One is simple past, or you can say simple present or simple future, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Now see in a present perfect tense. If I am talking about present perfect tense, then present perfect tense, simple present is presenting the truth, or you can say the journal habit. So what is the rule? Subject plus verb first form and object. But when I am talking about the past tense, then past tense is talking about the completed action, and here we are using the subject plus verb second and object. And in future we are talking about the planning that we will do in the future, and in this we are talking subject, will, then verb first and object. Now second is a present continuous. Present continuous means the going action. When the action is going, then it is called present continuous. In this we are using subject is MR, verb first ing, and object. In the past what we are using? In the past we are using subject, was, were, verb first ing, and in the future we are using what? We are using will, or subject, then be, then verb first, then ing, and then object. Now see the perfect. At first I will discuss about the present perfect. Present perfect means when the work is completely perfectly done in a present time, then it is called present perfect. Means the subject has have plus verb third form and then object is coming. But when I am talking about the past, then completed action with related to another action. It is subject plus had plus third form of verb, and then it is object. So this is a difference between present and past. And when I am talking about future, then it is also talking about the completed action. Then what you will do? It is subject plus will have, then verb third, and then object will come. Now come on present perfect continuous. Now present perfect continuous, what is? Just see. Started in the past and still continue in the present time. When I am talking about this present perfect continuous, then subject plus has, have, then verb plus ing, and then object. But when I am talking about past, then in this also completed action in the past related to another. Then what you will write? Subject, had, been, plus first form ing, and then object. Now future tense. Future perfect continuous. In future perfect continuous, the incomplete action related to another also. How? See here. What will come at first? Subject, then will have, been, then verb first form ing, and then object. So I hope now this tenses table is quite clear to you. Thank you.